Here we're going to talk about the new string data type. So this is a pandas only data type. It is not available to NumPy. This was a needed development in pandas, and it was released in version 1.0. So by default, again, pandas use the object data type from NumPy to place strings. But a big problem with this is that you are not certain that a value in an object data type is a string. With this string data type, you are certain that all of the values in that particular column will be strings. So you have a lot more certainty with that. They can also be missing values, but really only strings or missing values, not just anything as with the object data type. All right, so the way to create this or convert it, again, this is not a default data type. You have to use as type to convert your columns to strings. Or if you're manually creating it, set the dtype attribute to the string. So you have to use the entire word string, or you can use the pd.string dtype constructor like this. So both of these are how you do this. So here is sstring. It does have missing values. Just to verify that over here, we have one missing value over here. So this string, this string data type, you still get access to this str accessor. So functionally, it will be very similar to the object data type, but you'll have this assurance that you know that every value in there is a string. Here again, we'll just call the upper method to uppercase each one of those. All right, so that is the new string data type.